Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study digit problem. First problem, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 36, more than the original number. Find the original number. So the problem asking for the original number of the digits. So the same, we're going to have our representation. We're going to assign the value for x and y. Let x be the tens digit and y be the units digit. So since we are computing for using the system of equation, so we're going to make two equations. The equation 1 from the statement the sum of two digits equals to 10. So the first x is the tens digit plus the unit digits y equals to 10. This is the first equation. And the second equation, so that's why our equation 2 is y negative x equals 4. Then, since we have two equations already, so we're going to solve the equation by elimination method. So we're going to eliminate the term x, and the remaining is y plus y equals 2y. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Then solve for y, we're going to divide both sides by 2. And 2y divided by 2 equals y. Then 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Since we have the value for y, so next we're going to solve for value of x using the equation 1, x plus y equals to 10. X plus the value of y is 7, substitute, equals to 10. Then transpose the 7 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 7. Then 10 minus 7 equals to 3. So the value of x is 3. The original number is 37. Okay, the second problem about digits problem. And a two-digit number, 4 times the unit digit added to the tens digit equals 40. 3 times the tens digit added to the units digit equals 32. Find the numbers. So the problem now asking for the numbers. So same solution, we're going to make our own representation. In representation, we're going to assign the variable x and y. So let x be the tens digit and y be the units digit. So equation 1, 4 times means 4y plus x, the sum, is equals to 40. This is the first equation. And the second equation is 3 times added to y equals 32. Then we're going to rewrite the equation 1. We're going to multiply all the terms by negative 3. Our purpose of that, so that one of the term of the equation we can eliminate. So now we have to multiply x minus 3 equals negative 3x. Negative 3 times 4y equals negative 12y. Then equals 40 times negative 3 equals negative 120. Then copy the second equation, 3x plus y equals 32. Then this time we can eliminate the x term. So the remaining is negative 12y positive y. Then we have to add, since on like sign we're going to minus 12 minus y equals 11y, negative equals negative 120 plus 32. Since on like sign we're going to minus, then the difference is negative 88. Then we have to solve for y by dividing both sides by negative 11. So negative 11y divided by 11 equals y, and negative 88 divided by negative 11 equals 8. Then solve for x using the equation 1. The equation 1 is 4y plus x equals 40. Then the value for y is 8. You have to substitute now. 4 times 8 plus x equals 40. 4 times 8 equals 32. Copy x equals 40. Copy. Then we have to simplify. So we're going to transpose 32 to the right side of the equation. Becomes negative 32. So 40 minus 32, x equals 88. So therefore, our number, the two numbers is 88.